Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So when you try to open some app and apps crashing on your iPhone after you update to iOS 14. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try is just open App Store and just try to delete app from search. Just find app you installed previous time and just find it here and delete from just delete this app from your phone by moving icon of app from left to right. Here you can see that also every of applications on our screen become shaping, and just click on delete button, and here you can see move to app library or delete the app. So just try to delete app and it will successfully delete it. So after you just open App Store again and just type in search name of this app and just find it and download and install again on your phone. So sometimes it helps. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to turn off your phone, restart your phone. So just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find general here. And in the general you need to just scroll down to shutdown. So just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to make force restart on your iPhone. So you just keep holding low volume and power button until you will see here Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. So just keep holding these two buttons and just release your fingers from these two buttons. So it means that you successfully made force restart. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.